Hi, hello and welcome to my channel TNPSC tutorials. இன்னைக்கு General English and General Studies question பார்க்கலாம். Select the correct answers from the options given below. A statement tells something, but actually it means the opposite is known as A. Paradox, B. Irony, C. Apostrophe, D. Litotes. The answer is B. Irony. Which of the following lines belongs to Robert Frost? A. With 60 seconds worth of distance run. B. Of childish days is upon me, my manhood is cast. C. But once within the wood we paused. D. Is waiting its time to share. And the answer is C. But once within the wood we passed. In which of the poem the following lines occur? And you, O my soul, where you stand. A. Be the best. B. A noiseless patient spider. C. Going for water. D. Migrant bird. And the answer is B. A noiseless patient spider. Which of the following is a drama? A. The farmer. B. The merchant of Venice. C. Buds to blossom. D. Hiroshima. And the answer is B. The merchant of Venice. In the poem Migrant Bird, the poet contrasts the life of a migrant bird with that of the A. Weapons. B. Human beings. C. Animals. D. Enemies. And the answer is B. Human beings. Which of the following works is not a poem? A. To the land of snow. B. A psalm of life. C. The solitary reaper. D. Laugh and be merry. And the answer is A. To the land of snow. Which of the following is not a prose? A. A dictionary of the English language. B. The mark of Vishnu. C. Snake. D. Vision for the nation. And the answer is C. Snake. Which of the following literary works exhibits the theme of optimism? A. Laugh and be merry. B. Sonnet number 116. C. The solitary reaper. D. The man he killed. And the answer is A. Laugh and be merry. During the Sepoy Mutiny, the queen who fought against the British was A. Lakshmi Bai. B. Bragatira Bai. C. Nana Sahib. D. Durga Devi. And the answer is A. Lakshmi Bai. Who among the following is a Bengali poet and has won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913? A. Maheshwar Devi. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya. D. Sunil Ganapathiya. And the answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. General Studies question பார்க்கலாம். Which medicine is known as the queen of drugs? A. Atropine. B. Polymyxin. C. Streptomycin. D. Penicillin. And the answer is D. Penicillin. Bachappan Bachcho Andolan is an organization that fights against A. Child labor. B. Bonded labor. C. Child marriage. D. Poverty. And the answer is A. Child labor. Which plan was implemented after the annual plans of 1966 to 69? A. Second 5-year plan. B. Fifth 5-year plan. C. Third 5-year plan. D. Fourth 5-year plan. And the answer is D. Fourth 5-year plan. As explained by Robert Malthus, population increases in the A. Proportionate ratio. B. Geometric ratio. C. Arithmetic ratio. D. Smaller ratio. And the answer is B. Geometric ratio. In India, the organization which was responsible for self-sufficiency in food production was A. CSIR. B. ICAR. C. ISRO. D. ICMR. And the answer is B. ICAR. Who chaired the first session of the Indian National Congress held at Bombay? A. Madan Mohan Malviya. B. W.C. Banerjee. C. Ferozshah Mehta. D. Surendranath Banerjee. And the answer is B. W.C. Banerjee. Who remarked, the light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere? A. Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Mountbatten. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. And the answer is D. Jawaharlal Nehru. How many years VOC was sentenced to imprisonment? A. 30. B. 35. C. 40. D. 34. And the answer is C. 40. Where was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar born? A. Emhow. B. Macau. C. Sarayu. D. Lucknow. And the answer is A. Emhow. A special root-like structure in Cascata and Viscum is called A. Rhizoids. B. Hostoria. C. Hypae. D. Stolons. And the answer is B. Hostoria. இந்த கேள்விகள்லாம் உங்களுக்கு மிகவும் பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். கண்டிப்பாக லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், வித்தவுட் ஃபெயில் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யர் சப்போர்ட். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ.